What's going on, guys? It's Nick here, and today we're here with an unboxing of the Fitment Industries banner. So it did take a while to come in. It took approximately a month or so. I'm having struggles opening this. So I did choose the color white. So let's unbox this. Oh, comes with a lot of bubble wrap, and yeah, that's it for the box. Let's open it up here. Oh wow, this actually cut really nicely. Can't really see it, but it does say Fitment Industries. It is white. It is actually really nice. It comes with the Oracle transfer paper. So I'm assuming they use high quality. It is thick. It looks really good and it looks cut really nice. I will be making a video on installing it onto my car and how it looks after, and I'll give you an update on the quality. But so far now, hit the subscribe button down below, and you can follow my Instagram, which is right here, @so.nick. Thanks.